Question number 7. An estate agent advertises 4 houses. House A, 132,500. House B, 131,950. House C, 132,400. And House D, 131,750. Which house is the cheapest? So we need to look first at the hundreds of thousands. Well, I've got 131,000 is B, 131,000 is D. We next look at the 100 column. That's got 750. House B has got 950. So the cheapest house is House D. And the cost is £131,750. Put a comma separator in between, it's easier to read. Which house is the most expensive? Well, House A and House C are both got 132,000. C is plus another 400. A is 500. So A is the most expensive house at 132,500. Part C, what is the difference in price between the cheapest and the most expensive house? So, if we go from 131,750 up to 132,500. The difference just means the difference in price between the most expensive and the cheapest. So if we add on from the cheapest up to the most expensive, we'll go in the middle bit to 132,000. So if we add on £250, that will get us to 132,000. And then if we add on another £500, we'll get a total, if we add these two numbers together now, of £750 difference. We can do it by traditional column subtraction. 132,500 subtract 131,750. 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 5, I will need to borrow a 10 from the next column along. So that becomes 10 take away 5 is 5. 4 take away 7, I will need to borrow a 10 from this column, drop that down to 1, make that 14. 14 take away 7 is 7. 1 take away 1 is 0. 3, 3, 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. So £750 is the difference in price between the cheapest and the most expensive house. Part D. Jack buys House C. He pays a 10% deposit. How much is 10% of £132,400? Well, we're told that 100% is £132,400. So, to find 10%, we need to divide by 10. So when we divide by 10, we need to move the decimal point one place to the left. So the decimal point now is going to move from the end one column along. So 10% is equal to, it's got exactly the same digits, 1, 3, 2, 4 and 1, 0, and it would be 0.0. So we'll put our comma separator back in there between the 3 and the 2. So £13,240. £13,240 is the 10% deposit.